In this video, I'll show you how to update a debit card on Apple Pay. The process is very simple, and you can do it right from your iPhone in just a couple of steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the option called Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap on it. Here, you'll see all of the payment methods that are currently linked to your Apple Pay. If you want to update your debit card, you have two options. You can either remove the old card and then add the new one, or you can simply add the updated debit card alongside your existing cards. To remove a card, tap on the debit card you no longer want, scroll down, and select Remove this card. After that, it will disappear from your Apple Pay. Now, to add the updated debit card, go back to the Wallet and Apple Pay section and tap on Add Card. Choose Debit or Credit Card. Then either position your card inside the frame so your iPhone can scan it automatically, or enter the details manually, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've added the information, tap Next, and Apple will attempt to verify the card. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to confirm your identity with a one-time passcode, a quick text message, or by signing into your bank's app. Just follow the steps shown on the screen. Once the verification is complete, your new debit card will be active inside Apple Pay and ready to use. If you'd like to make this updated card your default for payments, scroll down in the Wallet and Apple Pay section until you see Transaction Defaults. Tap on Default Card, and then select the new debit card you just added. From now on, Apple Pay will use that card first whenever you make a purchase. And that's it. You've successfully updated your debit card on Apple Pay. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.